Oh, he treats me with respect. He said he loves me all the time. He calls me 15 times a day. He likes to make sure that I'm fine. You know I've never met a man who's made me feel twice. He's not like all them other boys. They're all so dumb and immature. There's just one thing. Wait a minute. Oh my god. It's not fair, and I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. Oh, you're supposed to care, but you never make me scream. You never make me scream. Oh, it's not fair, and it's really not okay. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Oh, you're supposed to care, but all you do is take. Yeah, all you do is take. Oh, I lie here in the wet patch, in the middle of the bed. I'm feeling pretty done up. I spent ages giving head, then I remember all the nice things that you ever said to me. Maybe I'm just overreacting, maybe you're the one for me. Sing it, Morgan. I'll just your head.
I'd love to get to know you.
It's not fair, and I think you're really mean. I think you're I don't want to sing this one anymore. I think you're really mean. There's going to be another one. Wait there. Unfaithful. But I haven't got it.
Yeah.
So I just sing it.
Yeah.
Hang on. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and that kills him inside. To know that I am happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be the reason why. Every time I walk out the door, I see him die a little more inside. I don't want to hurt him anymore. I don't want to take away his life. I don't want to be a murderer. It's really off putting your windows open and everything.
Window open first.
Morgan, just turn it off now.
Okay, thanks for watching. Now goodbye.